Tesla. Cars, yes.
Musk. That's
Elon.
the one word. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah,
huge company doing well.
Alien dreadnought. I think that's 2 words.
Yeah. Palo Alto is where this company is based, but everyone knows it. Tesla, California, designs and develops electric cars. But wait, there's more. Batteries, now like solar city roofs, all sorts of things. But this guy's Iron Man, right?
Yeah, can sit on 2 boards, can launch rockets into space, put people on Mars, gonna build underground tunnels.
Plus he went to school in Pretoria. Who could have thought? Eh?
Yeah.
It's incredible. South Africans, so everybody loves this company. But wait, $40.6 billion market cap. No profits, no dividends. What are you joking? So that means those are sort of infinite type numbers. Let's look at the share chart, because a lot of people thought, man, this thing's overvalued. What you can see is a massive, nice, big uptick. We bought ours at $200. Now they're trading $250. It traded at $270 at some point recently. So why are people getting optimistic about Tesla again?
Well, remember, Tesla's producing about 100,000 cars at the moment per year. And the target was 2020, you're going to produce 500,000 cars. So
which would be a biggish number, but it's tiny now.
Which is massive, which is a massive number. And everyone has always been very concerned they're going to be able to hit that production target. So Elon Musk just recently came out in the last earnings call, turned around and said, no, 2020 we're going to do 1 million, and by next year we'll do our 500,000, which is insane. Which is insane.
But here's the problem. So if they do it right, then it'll be a real big player in the industry, and they'll be a dominant at the luxury end, and the Model 3 will be tremendous and selling well. But in the moment, what you're buying is a company that chows cash and that is long on promise, and has got all sorts of fancy things that it's doing that have never been done before, like robots making the cars and what have you.
Yeah.
So the guy's got a lot on the go, and the question is, will they be able to deliver?
So far they have been delivering though, so it's difficult. So there's a lot of criticism around whether they can or can't do it. But again, the way that Elon Musk always explains it is that what they're doing is exponential. So it's very difficult for him to give predictions of exactly when they're going to hit it. He says they'll definitely hit it, but because
they're building the machines that will make the machines that will make the
cars.
He
calls it the alien dreadnought. The factory is becoming the alien dreadnought, and all they do is maintain the machine that makes the machines.
And then I thought there was only going to be one Powerwall gigafactory, but now apparently they're going to be 5.
There's going to be more. And already he's saying just the first gigafactory at 70% capacity is going to cater for, at 70% capacity will cater for 1 million cars a year, no problem. And he's still going to have 30% left over. But
the thing is about Teslas, that you don't see them here in South Africa, but people who own them absolutely love them. And that tells a lot, because when you go to the review sites for cars, consumer sites, a lot of them, people say these cars are junk, or this one doesn't work, I had to give it back. People love Teslas. Even people who use them a lot. Even like Uber drivers who use Teslas instead say these things go, you can't believe.
That's it. And I think it's always been, it's a passion. I mean, for Elon Musk, this is to produce the best car as well. And that's why they started in the high-end luxury market. So they're amazing
technology,
machines. And it's just got all the cool
systems.
stuff. I remember the one they released with a biohazard, I think it was a biohazard button that you hit, and suddenly
that's
all
like
your
you're driving through an area with
filtered.
a lot of fog or something, or like a fire or something.
So really cool cars. But I think the concern around the stock is as you say, no earnings, and whether they're going to have to raise capital again. So,
but I think the Model 3 is going to be huge. I mean, they've already got a lot of pre-orders in, and they're using the capital from people's pre-orders to get that stocked up. What about the Solar City deal? Because people didn't like that one much either.
Yeah, well, it seems to have gone through.
The idea on Musk's case, though, is that he wants people to have the panels on the roof and charge their own car.
Yeah, I think you have the whole Powerwall system. Once you've got the battery technology, it can.
So you must have the Powerwall in your house as well, and then you can be X-Grid.
Yeah, that's it, and take you out completely.
Future, man.
This is the future, and they're building it. The question is, it costs money, though.
Yeah. Okay, good. So look, we own Tesla, so obviously I'm hot on it. The feeling is that they are going to be able to deliver. They're going to ramp up production. So we'll go along for the ride. I mean, it's a sort of interesting little stock holding for us, and we've done well out of it already, and we hope to continue to do well. Happy to call it hot?
Yeah, you got to call Tesla hot. It's just, it comes with risks. Be aware of the risks, not for widows and orphans, but while it's hot, while everyone's liking it.
Absolutely right, because it may well go down by 50% because they have some setback.
It has a lot of competition. I mean, there's Nissan Leafs, there's Bolts, there's a lot of other electric vehicles
Plus,
coming
of course,
out,
if Elon himself is taken ill or something, or isn't around, there could be a real concern there about succession.
So. Again, the other concern I suppose people have is like how much focus is he actually putting on Tesla at the moment, because he's got SpaceX that he's sort of dual CEO with. But I think it'll be okay. Even without Elon, I think it'll be okay. I think they've got some very, very intelligent people working there.
Excellent.